Hi, welcome back to Tarot by Jillian. I am going to demonstrate how I make a cough syrup for children. Now I have to first grab, what everybody says is like the worst thing for you, sugar. So I have just the white sugar, then I have this fine-grained organic sugar. All right, so you're gonna need to go to the store and get onions. Now this is a yellow onion. I have some red onion right here. And you're just gonna take your onion and kind of just cut it up, kind of where whenever you are done with it, you can kind of fish it out, like, and then you take this and you pour white sugar all over it. And then if you want, you can even go in with some fine sugar on top of that. And then you cover this and you wait till it makes syrup. So I have some already. This is red onion. And so this is the syrup it makes. And you can see the sugar at the bottom. So I would take these out and I would add this to like make this sugar dissolve. And this is a red and yellow onion mix. So I took a little bit of this red onion juice and I started this one and I put yellow onion and some more red onion in it. So that's a mix. So the flavoring is different. And then this is just like the straight yellow onion. And so when I made my chicken salad yesterday, I put the rest of the onion in there. And so yeah, that's how you make homemade cough suppressant in the kitchen. All right, well, happy cough syrup making. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Oh.